Model, 69 plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TD130 PS 320 trend front wheel drive, HEVL to H2 fridge van VAT included. Body, silver, fridge. Mileage, 143981. MOT, the 9th of December 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, fully working fridge unit. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.